It's all about what we do for our people. The
Yeah,
investment that we make in the human capital that drives the Sandals and Beach brand is like no other. I think the economic footprint that the Sandals and Beaches brand provide across Jamaica is irrefutable. There's no two ways around it. You know, the amount of team members that we employ, the constantly high occupancies that the group runs, and our constant investment in the human capital. There's no other organization that has a corporate university. You know,
yeah,
just recently we graduated another 20 middle managers in the fourth cohort of our hospitality training program, where they're all given a diploma with content that is created by the Florida International University, Accelerated Learning, and the Sandals Corporate University. So we're continuing to invest in the people, in the power of our people, in being able to continue to grow and develop in this industry, which is growing exponentially, not only in Jamaica, but across the region. The Caribbean is one of the most tourism dependent regions anywhere in the world. And unless we have the human capital to go out there and build and grow on it, we're going to kind of get lost in the shuffle. And we don't want to ever be lost in any shuffle. Brand Jamaica and Brand Sanders and Brand Beaches are always going to be doubling down on the human capital and growing our people and making them better each step along the way.